Hello once again, guys. This is Ryan here from the Investing Simple YouTube channel, and in this video we're going to be talking about the current free promotion going on with the trading app known as Acorns. Now, unless you've been living under a rock, you've probably heard of Acorns, the spare change roundup investing app. You do pay a monthly subscription fee to use Acorns, but a lot of people love it because it's totally hands-off and passive, and you can just set it and forget it. Well, if you sign up using our affiliate link down below, you are going to get a free $5 bonus once you open up the account. And that $5 can be invested in one of the 5 different Acorns investment portfolios. So with Acorns, you're choosing a portfolio of different ETFs. You're not able to invest in individual stocks, but that takes all of the guesswork out of the equation when it comes to building an investment portfolio. So if you want to grab that free $5, feel free to use our link down below. Now, Acorns and other brokerages are changing their promotions all the time. So if you want the most updated information, just Google Acorns free stock and click on the Investing Simple link. We're going to update that article every time the Acorns promotion changes. But thanks so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell for future video notifications, and we'll see you in the next video.